Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you about Stock Trainer app. First of all, download it from Play Store app, then open it. After opening, log in your account or you can sign in or you can also do anonymous login. So I will be doing anonymous login. You have to select your default country. My country is India. So I will select India, then click on select, then OK. So here it is. It is showing you portfolio. Second one is watch list. Then find stocks. Then top movers. Then here is your my account. In my account you can see your available cash is 5 lakh rupees or total value is rupees 5 lakh. It means you will be given virtual money, that is rupees 5 lakh, so that you can learn trading. It is a virtual money, it is not a real cash. You can invest these amount in some stocks and you can learn how to trade. Then the last one is transaction. So first I will be telling you about how to purchase stock. Click on find stocks, then search. Search for any stock. For example, Tata Power. So here it is. One is of National Stock Exchange and one is of Bombay Stock Exchange. It is up to you which one you will prefer. I will prefer National Stock Exchange. Click on it. So here it is. The share price of Tata Power Company is 221.15. It is the exact price showing. As you know, price changes in seconds. So you can refresh it from here. See, when you will refresh it, it changes the price. Okay, and here you will be showing the chart, 1 day chart, 1 week chart, okay, 1 minute chart, like this. And you will also be given today's high price, today's open price, change, 52-week high, 52-week low. Okay, you will be given all the information about share here. So you don't need to worry about the price, as it is showing the exact price which is happening in the market now. So if you want to purchase the stock, then click on buy. So quantity you want to purchase is 100. Okay, the amount will be debited is 22,110 rupees. So click on buy, then go back, go to your portfolio, and here you will see you have purchased the stock. So here you will be showing the amount you have purchased the stock, 221.10 buy price, and the current price that is actually happening in the market is 221.35. So here is 30 rupees profit you are earning. Okay, so that's how we can learn trading through Stock Trainer app. Click on refresh and you will see the current price has been changed, that is 221.45, and now the profit is 40 rupees. So that's how you can purchase the stock. And if you want to sell the stock, click on it, then click on sell. Number of stock you want to sell, like I want to sell all the 100 share, so I will sell on all 100 share and click on sell. Go back, go to your portfolio, and here it is. Your stock has been sold. Go to transaction, and here you can see how much profit you have made from this. Rupees 40 profit I have made from this. Okay, that's how we can trade in the market, or that's how we can learn trading. See, in my account, your available cash is 5 lakh 40 rupees. Top movers means gainers. Who are gainers in the market? which stocks are the gainers and which stocks are the loser. So it is showing that top movers service is currently disabled. Okay, so the service has been disabled. From find stock you can find another stock like ICICI Bank. Here it is. Click on it and you can see the current price that is in the market is 710.35. Click on refresh. Prices get reduced. Price is changing. So if you want to purchase this stock, click on buy. Add number of stock you want to purchase, like 300. I want to purchase 300 share. The amount that will be debited is 2,12,925 rupees. So click on buy. It is showing that no trade left for today because I have already purchased one stock and sell that, so there are no trades left. If you want to purchase, you can watch ad and can purchase. The ad has been stopped. Okay, now as we have watched the ad, then click on buy, then write your quantity you want to buy and you can see the total debit amount. Click on buy. Now the stock has been purchased. Go to your portfolio. Your buy price is 710.85. Current price is 710.80. Okay, there is a loss of rupees 15. Second one is watch list. You can also add stocks to watch list, like click on ICICI Bank and click on option watch. Search another stock. Vedanta. Vedanta Limited. If you want to get this stock in watch list, click on watch. So it is successfully added to your watch list. Cool. Then go to your watch list. You can see the stock. From here you can see the stock price. At the current market price is rupees 710.55 of ICICI Bank, and for Vedanta it is 332.15. So this is how you can actually trade in the market, virtual trading. Okay, this is watch list. This is find stock. From here you can find stock, your top movers, what are the top movers or losers in the market, your account summary, your transactions. Okay, you have buy Tata Power, then you have sold, then you have buy ICICI Bank. Okay, that is executed or that is pending. Like if you have placed the bid, so it will be show in pending. So that's how you can learn trading. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.